Hey guys, just want to show you real quick how to fix your iPhone and make it ring when it's brand new. So let me show you really quick. Okay, see right here on the side? Right there, see that orange? That means it's not going to ring. Right above the two volume buttons, it's a little tiny button. You got to hit that with your finger. Let's do that really quick. Now right there, see now it's all black. Now the phone's going to ring. What happens is you buy this new phone and the store wants to sell you a cover. So they put the cover on, it has a plastic on the back, which mostly covers that most times, and then a rubber gasket, and now you can't even get to that little button. So you don't have to go to the iPhone store, stand in line there, wait for 2 hours. You can fix this right away. Let me show you something else here. So, okay, now what do I do? All right, hold on. Okay, let's lock the screen here. Okay, so go into settings and make sure that the airplane mode is not on, and the do not disturb right there. Make sure that do not disturb is not on, because that will also make it not ring. Now, if you want to sleep in, you're on vacation, hit do not disturb or airplane mode, and it will stop people from being able to reach you, wake you up on your nice vacation. So anyways, I hope this fixes everything for you, and have a great day, guys. Take care.